Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing very well. This reading is about first presidential debate which will be held on 29th of September between Donald Trump and Joe Biden. Now, what's going to happen? Who will get advantage? These are the cards for Joe Biden. These are the cards for Donald Trump. So, what the cards suggest? How will be the day for Joe Biden? Although this person is standing on a top, but still he is very defensive. So, clear indication that Joe Biden will be defensive on 29th of September. Now, Donald Trump. Knight of Wands card. So, clear indication. Clear indication that he will be at his best. He will be very aggressive. All I can say is Joe Biden will think that when this is going to end, when I'll be back in my hotel room, he will be that aggressive. Now, before moving ahead, one sincere request: if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel and you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. Now, outcome cards. What does outcome card suggest? Again, Joe Biden is going to take this somewhat okay. This is just the start. Still two more debates to go and still presidential debates to go. So he will take it easy. He will be relaxed. For Donald Trump, what will be the outcome? This presidential debate is going to prove to be a very good advertisement for Donald Trump. He will be able to prove his points. He would be able to put across his words because whole of America will be glued to the television. So this is going to be a very good advertisement for Donald Trump. Now, advantage card 2 here and here. So, lovers card. So, Donald Trump will get clear advantage of this first presidential debate, and I'll not be surprised if his approval ratings will increase after this debate. Joe Biden, well, he will more depend on Kamala Harris on presidential debates, and he will come back in next two debates more well prepared. My conclusion is first presidential debate advantage Donald Trump. Thank you.